Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a DIY Dollar Tree command center. So if you'd like to know how I achieved this, then please keep on watching. So what you'll need is a frame, which is optional because I didn't even end up using it, some heating racks, a whiteboard, some chalkboard, this cute frame that I found, some hanging magnets, and some containers. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the wall that I decided to use. This is on our entryway right when you walk into our house. So I thought that this would be the perfect place for the command center. The first thing I did was gather everything together and then try to decide how I wanted to place everything before I hung it up on the wall. So the first thing I did was grab one of the heating racks, and I went ahead and grabbed one of the containers and I hot glued the container to the rack. I then went ahead and grabbed my chalkboard and then I glued that to the rack as well. For this next rack, I went ahead and did the same thing, but instead of using the long container, I went ahead and used these two pencil holders. And for this one, I didn't have to use any hot glue because these little containers had some hanging grips on the back of them, so I just had to clip them onto the rack. And then for this rack, I went ahead and just glued the chalkboard and then just attached the magnets to it. And then I started to organize everything on the wall. This frame here I actually had on hand. I had it for my wedding, so I thought that would be perfect on the top of the command center. And then I went ahead and started to place the racks onto the wall using some command strips. Once I was done hanging everything on the wall, I went ahead and went back and just filled in some of the containers. And then at the top of the command center, I just wrote the word hello. And then you'll see that I went in onto the other chalkboards and then wrote some little notes on there too. And then I wrote a grocery list on the whiteboard. And here is the finished look. I am so obsessed with this, and it turned out so much better than I had pictured it. And everything from the Dollar Tree, and you guys saw how easy it was to make. I hope that you guys really liked this video. Thank you guys so much for continuing to support my channel and for continuing to return and watch my videos. It really means the world to me. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I hope that you subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.